Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna unbox this. This is the HomeZone security LED lights with the motion activated or manual override. And it has a 240 degree detection. This one is for outdoor use only. And it is made in China. And this is an Energy Star. Let me give you guys a 360 view at the box real quick. This one is the dual head adjustable lights. So it's 2500 lumens and then 35 watts, which is pretty good. If you compare to other floodlights, they use about 150 watts or 120 watts. And you save 5,000 kilowatts over a life of a fixture. So this one has a 22 years of long life LEDs. I'm not sure about that. 22 years, pretty long time. So let's go ahead and check this one out. Adjustable double lights. Okay. So it has a 240 degree. And then it will sense up to 50 feet or 15 meters. It is a sturdy aluminum construction, resists weather and wear. And then has adjustment controls, time controls, and then security adjustment, and then adjust ambient lights. And also a manual override. So here are the specs. And this one is about 5000 K. The color temperature. It's a 5 years warranty through the manufacturer, if they are still in business, of course. So you can put it at the barn or storage facility, backyard, commercial exteriors. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. I unboxed the other one with the solar. I've been testing out. It is pretty bright, but I'm not sure how long the battery is going to allow the light to light up. So I will do some tests on that. Then I need to compare this one with that one. It seems like this one has a higher lumen. So the box, you got this instruction manual plus the hardware kit, and then it looks like you have a wire cap, screws. There's no nut. Take out this cardboard. Super dry. What? That's it? So this is it, guys. Okay. So there's a cap that is in the hardware kit. I'm not sure what it's a cap for. What? Oh, okay. So yeah, this one you could tilt. I was like, what? You cannot tilt? So you got your hot wire, your ground. So this kind of have a triangle screw head, so it will not, unless you have the tool that you need to open it, see? So I guess they don't want consumer to mess around with it or open them up. So you can tilt. Wow. It's pretty good. Nothing is obstructing from or prevent from tilting back and forth, which is nice. So actually I got this, I'm not sure why it's a different color, the lens. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Somehow this one is more like a lighter blue, and this one is white color. So I'm not sure if they did that on purpose, or do I just get a defective one? Or maybe it's tilting a different angle, it looks differently. And this one, they have all the plastic protector on there. So this is the motion sensor is fixed. Only you could tell up and down. Okay, you cannot tell left and right since it's already covering a 240 degree of the angle. I'm still curious what this cap is for. Let me open the instruction real quick. So here is the kit. See that cap? I'm not sure why they take it. Oh, so weird. So I guess that cap is for this long screw to go in here. Oh, okay, that's how they mount it. I got it. So there are two of the screw holes. Oh, there's another one that's outside. Couple holes, the oval opening right there. In case your hole is different size, different length, or whatever, and you see that front. So this one has facing out, okay. And then you screw either these two screw hole or whatever hole that would match your wall or where you want to mount it at. You use those smaller screws to go through it, okay. And then you use that long Phillips or flathead screwdriver to go through that hole the center hole right here to go through there, and then you will mount it through into that middle hole. That's how you mount this thing. That's why I don't see any other holes besides that the one in the middle. And as you can see, it is water resistant, waterproof. They have this rubberized covering the wire, so the water does not go in there. Alright guys, so hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like this video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell for notification, and drop any other comments up below. Alright, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I might do some comparison compared to this unit versus the solar panel one. I want to test out. It seems like this one might be brighter, but I'm not sure because this one only got 2 heads, and the other one has 3 heads with 180 LEDs. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video, guys. Like always, peace.